All right, so the I'm I'm torn between trying to use a headless WordPress because I've been doing WordPress for a very long time. So it seems like it's a good thing to use it as a headless just for a change or something, or hmm, perhaps not. Hmm, because there's a WordPress REST API. So maybe I'll try the basic uh, uh, usual WordPress, and then I'll do just call for the API, and then so I can do both, I believe. So we've been doing that before. So I've been doing that before. So yeah, we'll see if how can we disable recipe. Oh, okay. Yeah, I really want it to be a single page application. It's not because that would be really intuitive. It's just updating here and you're clicking here. So yeah, that would be really awesome. So I'd like to try that. For now, yeah, I really think it's worth doing that. I'll use a theme or what, but I really think I'd like to do again, um, starting as zero, starting from blank slate, WordPress. It's just really blank. I really want to try this again and then see how can we, last updated is just last year. So and then there's they say that there's a what you call this. Yeah, I think I should really name all the technologies I need to test, because yeah, I could do that by just using WordPress, but I need to use other tools, because that might make it easier for me to develop the features I want to create. So for instance, I think I forgot about Bootstrap. Yeah, and SAS and less. I really think I have to review all of those. Powerful, extensive, feature-packed front-end toolkit built with customized with SAS, utilize pre-built grid system and components, and bring projects to life with powerful JavaScript plugins. without jQuery. Okay. All right. So I really think that so now I have to understand about the React.js. Templated, yeah. That's cool. Counts. Just as a string. This is a JavaScript. Oh wow, okay. Syntax extension popularized by React, putting JSX markup close to related rendering logic makes React components easy to create, maintain, and delete. Yeah, that makes sense. Add interactivity whenever you need. React components receive data and return what should appear on screen. You can pass them new data in response to a reaction, like when the user types into input, React will then update the screen to match the new data. Oh wow, that's awesome. Okay, that's awesome. The search text and then the search text here, and then the found videos, and we'll have the videos. And this is the filtered videos. Oh wow, yeah, that's awesome. Now I see why it gains a lot of popularity. Go full stack with a framework. Component together, but it doesn't prescribe how to do routing and data fetching. To build an entire app with React, we recommend a full stack React framework like Next.js or Remix. Hmm. It's also an architecture frameworks that implemented let you fetch data in asynchronous components that run on the server and even during the build. Read data from a file or a database and pass it down to your interactive components. Yeah, that's awesome. Yeah, it's really awesome. So A, yeah, that's awesome. Use the best from every platform. With React, you can be a web and a native developer. Your team can ship many platforms without sacrificing the user experience. Like what? That's awesome. All right, I'm sold. So what should I do? So if it is React, and then for the React, can it be? Is there a responsive UI for that? Hmm. Yeah, I know this. It's a basic. Yeah, I've done that. So we'll still do it. Okay, we'll still do it with hardcore C library that makes it easy to apply different styles to your React components based on screen size. So we still do it as an old way. uh, TS. Hmm. Who are maintaining this? Hmm. To make things more idiomatic to React, you can use camel case shorthands to construct media queries. Hmm. On change. Huh. Oh, okay. Oh, oh wow, that's nice. Default, yeah, here the children. Oh wow, yeah, this one is really good. I mean, you can even separate them. That's awesome. Yeah. Well, I'm okay with the try principle, but this one is simpler. So always go with the simpler. I believe if you're going to advance, yeah, try principle is not always good. always the simpler solution will always be good whenever you're learning. I'm learning new things. For others might be, but for me, I like simple. All right, I'm convinced. Let's try this one out and then see. Well, this will be messy because I haven't done it yet. Yeah, mobile first is what I'm thinking. And then inline, higher order components. Uh, yeah, we'll just try what we have now. Uh, we don't have to learn everything, so it's still up to us to have a design. Hmm. So I'm a bit. Uh, so how about the headers, the collapsing UI? Do we have that as well? What is this? Where am I? Hmm. This is getting a bit more out of control. Responsive customization, theming, components, getting started, overview, material design. Material UI is an open source React component library that implements Google's material design. And what is that material design? Is yeah, I'm going to start with the yeah. Let's try to understand first what am I doing here. It's Android. Yeah, so material design. Okay, comprehensive collection of pre-built components that are ready for use in production right out the box. options that make it easy to implement your own custom design system on top of our components. So ship faster, beautiful by default, customizability. The templates in the sword demonstrate you far can go with the. All right, so templates to start your next project. Okay, okay, now I'm convinced. Okay, so you can, but you have to buy these things. No, are they free? I want to start as free. There you go, something like this. So free, something like this. Okay, free.